Hello to all my viewers. Today we are going to talk about Jean Baudrillard. Jean Baudrillard is a French philosopher and we can call him a postmodernist theorist also. Actually, he is an exponent in the field of media culture. So, Baudrillard basically told us about the social and economic changes in the post-modern period. Actually, what is modernism and postmodernism, that we have to understand that modernism is a period from 1910 to 1950s and postmodernism is from 1950s to till date. Okay, so after both the world wars, we have faced, the world has faced many economic and social challenges, and Baudrillard and many other exponents of media culture and social studies told us that it has tremendously changed the psychology of people all over the world. Okay, so basically he told us about the social and economic changes which happened in the post-modern period. So he divides this process of this social reality into three stages, that is reality, simulation, simulacra, hyper and hyper reality. So what we will start from reality. What is reality? It's a reality means it's a real one. For example, when we see a rose or a beautiful camera or a beautiful shoes or whatever it is which is very appealing to our eyes, that is a reality, a real thing. And for example, when we see a rose, we may be astonished by its beauty. Oh, and because of this beauty, we may take a picture of this or this rose or a flower, and we may post it in internet, or we may make a picture of this. So when we see this real flower, it's a reality, and when we make a picture and post it in the internet, it's only a representation. So this is the difference between reality and representation. So the first thing, that real one is reality, and Baudrillard says that there is three types of process of representation happens to reality in the postmodern world. And the first stage is simulation, or the process of making a representation or duplicate or the replacement of the original one. This process is called simulation, the process of making the duplicate of the original one. And the second stage is very important in the postmodern era, that is simulacra. In this stage of simulacra, there is a difference between the difference between reality and reality and the representation gets blurred. For example, if you want to buy a camera or a shoes or any product, we will go to shop, and nowadays we will ask for branded items. So Baudrillard says that this is the difference between modernism and postmodernism, that when we want a soft drink in modern period, we will ask only for soft drink, and in this postmodern period, when we want a product like soft drink, a camera or anything like that, we we used to ask for branded items. That is, there are many varieties for the representation. Like there are many varieties for the original Nippon camera, and now we have a number of varieties for cameras, shoes like Levi, Canon, etc., etc. So this is the difference between simulation and simulacra. In this simulacra stage, we have a variety of the original representation. So the difference between real and the representation gets blurred. So this is the stage of simulacra, and last stage is hyper reality. And in today's world we are watching this hyper reality, that is, the duplication or imitation becomes more original and appealing than the real one. That means the duplications we are making by watching the original ones becomes more original than the earlier real ones. For example, Baudelaire says that Gulf War never happened. That means what we are watching in the media or what we read in newspapers about this Gulf War was only a creation of media. Original war was something different from the different from what we read in the newspapers. And also, for example, in regarding hyper reality, Baudelaire and many other theoreticians said that what we are watching through camera in today's films and journals, whatever it is, it's a creation of media. So this is an era of hyper reality. That's what Baudelaire said about this. And I hope you may have understood the basic concepts of simulacra and simulation and hyper reality. And in the coming videos I will give more examples on this, and I will give more classes on same theoreticians. Thank you.